Good morning, YouTubers. My name is Adrian Rivera. Just want to show you a little project I got going here. Getting ready to string out some more cable for a 400 amp service that we're bringing into the old Homestead over here. Okay, so I'll bring you up to speed. Here's what we got going here. So I've brought out the cable for the 400 amp service. I have 300 feet of 4-aught. I got my tractor set up. We're gonna pull the wire out, bury it. Here's where we're at right now. We've got, this is where the meter is going to be. The meter is going to be installed right here. 400 amp service entrance will be right here. The power company will put a transformer right down there across the road. They'll bring in the 400 amp service from the main road. That's about 600 feet. And another 100 feet up to the meter box. And from there I have to provide power to the main building, which is going to be in that area. And there's going to be some more structures in the back. So I'm bringing a couple of 100 amps to that area back there. 100 amps here for this structure. Another 100 amps to feed my RV down on this side of my steel building. Well, let's get on with it. This is a one-man operation. Okay, so I pulled the cable as far as I could, and I ran out of steam. So I just have another 100 feet to go. I'm going to, I've already rigged it to my golf cart, and I'm gonna pull the rest of the way. See how that works. Here we go. Okay, folks, I did it. It was a piece of cake. 300 feet of 4-aught twisted cable for 400 amp service entrance. Here's one end of it. This is where the meter box goes with the disconnects. Two 200 amp disconnects. So then it's trenched out. It goes this way. It's going to the other side of the property where there's going to be more structures put up in the future. We gotta provide power for it. We're gonna have a pole barn and a little cottage in the back. Just trenched out through here. And it goes through here. Just gonna give you a little tour of the trench. My trench works. All the way across the building lot. Oh, by the way, the house that I'm building, it's about 60 by 60 pad that I'm gonna put down. I start that next. As soon as I get my water line in, my drainage lines in, getting ready to do that next. I'm gonna start the drainage lines and water lines. So everything goes this way, downhill, and we're almost there. Across the driveway, the main driveway. Okay, all this has to be trenched out yet. All that has to be trenched out. This is behind the chicken house. Okay, so temporary power is going to be right here for this side of the property. So it'll be 200 amps, 200 amp service stationed right here. And that'll accommodate power for the future bills, which includes the pole barn, which is going to go out there somewhere, out there in that field. No, I'm sorry, that way. The drainage, septic, and leach field is going to be back here. So the pole barn is going to be somewhere up there. Well, there she is. It's all secured. Got the meter box up. Let me give you a close-up. This is a 400 amp service. It's got two sides, two breakers down here, 200 amps each. So now I just bring in my cable bottom. I'll look right in here. And 200 amps goes that way, and 100 amps goes that way, and 100 amps stays here. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.